हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा बटे में। जमा चुके हैं 6 स्टैंडर्ड की हिस्ट्री के साथ। और आज का मेरे चैप्टर का नाम है रिलीजियस ट्रेड्स इन एशियन इंडिया। और हमने हमारा चैप्टर लास्ट टाइम लैंग्वेजेस, पीपल्स लैंग्वेजेस के ऊपर छोड़ा था। और अभी हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे द रिलीजन के साथ, जैसे हम हमारी आगे चीज़ें और जानेंगे बुद्धिज़्म और जैनिज़्म के बारे में। तो शुरू करते हैं। Exported led stressed on good content, on good conduct. This senses of this teaching for good conduct is contained in the five great voles and the three jewels, Triratna या Triratna. The assembly held by the Tirthakar is to preach to the people was known as in the Adharma Gandhi. Samavaranas was based on equality. People of all Varnas had entry to it. The Pancha Mahavaratas, the five great vows, the five rules to follow strictly: ahimsa, no harm, non-violence, no living being should be harmed, injured, or hurt, injured or harmed during one's behavior. Satya, everyone's speech and action should be true. Asatya, non-stealing. Asatya means theft. Taking what belongs to others without their concern is theft or stealing. Asatya means not stealing anything. Okay. Non-attachment. Man tends to accumulation property due to greed. Means no hoarding or accumulation anything in this way. Brahmacharya, in the means living bodily pleasure and following the rules. Triratna, the three jewels are the three principles. पहला राइट फेथ, दूसरा राइट नॉलेज और तीसरा राइट कंडक्ट। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहला हम शुरू करते हैं राइट फेथ के साथ। टू अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रू एंड द प्रीचिंग ऑफ तीर्थकार, टू हैव फेथ इन। और दूसरा क्या है दोस्तों, राइट फेथ के बाद राइट नॉलेज। ठीक है, राइट नॉलेज के बारे में जानते हैं। स्टडिंग द प्रीचिंग एंड फिलोसफी ऑफ तीर्थकार रेगुलरली एंड लर्निंग इट्स डीप मीनिंग, ये होता है। और उसके बाद क्या है, राइट कंडक्ट, स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलोइंग द फाइव ग्रेट वोल्स। तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो है ये एक जैन को फॉलो करनी पड़ती है उसके पूरे लाइफ टाइम में। एसेंशियल्स ऑफ हिज टीचिंग अमॉन्ग द टीचर ऑफ महावीर Ekanand Vada. It is considered to be very important in a quest for truth. It means pluralism or multi-viewpoint. In our quest for truth, if we focus on only one or two aspects or viewpoint and draw conclusion, the whole truth is not known. Therefore, it is necessary to pay attention to all aspects of issue. If people follow this, they will develop tolerance towards the opinions of others in society and give up the attitude of stubborn adherence to their own opinion. Vardhaman Mahavir taught the people that the greatness of man does not depend on his varna but on his excellent conduct. In the Vedic tradition, the doors of the knowledge has slowly been closed to women, but Vardhaman Mahavir gave the right of sannyas, the right to renounce the world to women. Too, his teachings were love all living things, have mercy and compassion, and live and let live. Buddhism spreads in India and in many countries outside India. बुद्धा वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ बुद्धिज़्म, गौतम बुद्ध। तो अभी हम जानेंगे गौतम बुद्धा के बारे में। Gautam Buddha was born in Lubni in Nepal. His father name was गौतम बुद्धा के पापा का नाम शुद्धोधना था और उनके मम्मी का नाम माया देवी और उनका बर्थ नेम सिद्धार्थ था और उन्होंने he had attained knowledge of human life in his entirety. That is why he came to known as Buddha. He wanted to know why there is sorrow and suffer in human life. He left his home and all comfort and pursued on the answer to his questions on Vashika Purana. He was sitting in deep meditation under a peepal tree at Uruvela near the city of Gaya in Bihar. That is when he attained Bodh and enlightenment or the highest knowledge. The tree is known as the Bodhi tree and the place Uruvela is known as Bodh Gaya. He delivered his first ceremony at Sarathnath near Varanasi के पास. His teaching in his first ceremony are termed Dhamma. He set his motion on the wheel of Dhamma in his ceremony. Therefore, this event is called as Dhamma Chakra Pavitan in Pali, Dhamma Chakra Pavitan in Sanskrit. Later he traveled on foot for nearly for 45 years to preach Dhamma. He preached his in the people's language, Pali. Buddhism, the concept of taking refuge in Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha is important to his knowledge as Trishan. This is essential for the Dhamma. He expounded it is as follows. तो अलग अलग एसेंशियल्स है धामा के, अभी हम वो जान लेते हैं. नोबल ट्रूथ. देर आर 4 ट्रूथ्स दैट एट द रूट ऑफ ह्यूमन अफेयर्स. दे आर कॉल्ड द नोबल ट्रूथ्स. सफरिंग, देर इज सफरिंग इन ह्यूमन लाइफ. दुख, द कॉज ऑफ दुख. देर इज अ कॉज ऑफ सफरिंग. दुख निर्वाण. इट इज अ पॉसिबल वे. It is possible to end the suffer. Fourth, Partipad. Partipad means the way. This way leads to the end of suffering. This is the way of good conduct. It is known as the eightfold path. इसे eightfold path कहा जाता है. तो अभी हम जाते हैं नेक्स्ट चीज़ के ऊपर. Panchashali. Gautam Buddha asked people to follow 5 rules. The rules called the Panchashali. Stay away from killing animal. Stay away from stealing. Stay away from unaesthetic condition. Stay away from telling lies. Stay away from intoxicated kids. Stay away from intoxicates. ये सारी चीज़ों से बुद्धा ने दूर रहने को कहा था दोस्तों. बुद्ध सांगा. He created a sanghas for Buddhists to preach his religion. Followers who gave up their domestic life and they entered the sangha, who were called Buddhists. They too traveled on foot like Buddha to preach Dhamma to the people. There was separate sangha of women. They were called Bhikkhunis. People of all varnas and caste could embrace Buddhism. Essential of his teaching, Gautam Buddha announced a freedom of human intelligence. He refused to discriminate basis things like varna. तो बुद्धा ने वरना, ये सारे वरना क्या था, वरना कास्ट सिस्टम था, तो ये चीज़ों पे बुद्धा ने क्या किया था दोस्तों, इनकार कर दिया था उसके टीचिंग्स के थ्रू. आजकल बस मैं होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आओगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आओगा, वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब. मैं आपको मिलूंगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जिसमें हम डू यू नो और आगे की चीज़ों के बारे में जानेंगे. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.